Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I wanted to check out this pet grass self-grow kit. It's something I just picked up and wanted to show you guys and take you guys along for the journey, see if it's actually worth it. So let's check it out. All right, so this is what I'm talking about here. It is called Pet Grass. Pet Greens Garden grows right out of the bag itself, is what it says. So I've never used anything like this before. This isn't sponsored in any way. What it is we actually foster cats and kittens. I'm sure you guys have seen the build videos a little bit on those. I know that a couple of them didn't come out completely because unfortunately we had some audio problems with them. But the foster area is finished. If you want to check out some stuff like that, check out my wife's channel, My So-Called Mom Life. You can see all the kittens that we're fostering and some cool stuff like that. But so we were picking up some supplies and they actually had this sitting there and I was like, wow, that's kind of neat. So I want to check it out. I want to see if this is worth it. So if you guys have actually grown anything like this before for your cats or pets, let me know. Let me know how it works out. But I figured this would be a cool thing to kind of sponsor on the channel, not sponsor, but show on the channel, and take you guys along with us. So it says Pet Grass Self-Grow Kit. All you need to do is poke 10 holes in the bottom of the bag before tearing it open at the notch. So there's a notch here on the side of the bag and a notch here. That's where you tear it open. And then you just add water. In 5 to 7 days you have luscious, healthy, organic greens for your cats. So apparently greens are actually a staple for any cat. It's actually healthy for them to eat grass for upset stomachs, things like that, but it's not healthy for them to just go outside and graze. So this is another alternative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. I'm not sure why they want 10, but we did 10 holes. I think one is a little too large. Probably shouldn't use a razor knife for that, but that's okay. Now I got soil meeting falling out the bottom of the bag. So let's make sure we put this under a drip tray first. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a drip pan, if you will. I've got a little 8-inch drip pan here. Yes, it's well worn. I use it all the time and I have well water, so it's a little yucky, but either way, so these are just something you pick up at the dollar store, nothing crazy, but this will help keep all of our dirt from being all over the place, and it'll catch all the water that comes out the bottom. So go ahead and set that in our drip tray really quick, and so I'm just going to go ahead and tear off right at the notches where it said. No scissors, no knife, no nothing. So I'll go ahead and tear that off. And it says Pet Greens Self-Grow Kit right here in the bag. I've never used this before, so this is the first time, guys. Carefully make about 10 holes in the bottom of the bag with a large pen or large paper clip. Well, we used a knife, but it's done. Open the seed packet and spread the seeds evenly over the soil. Make sure the seeds are covered with 1/4 inch of soil. So it looks like it's just got some regular potting soil in there. Even some perlite and such in there to help break it up, like some bark. So okay, let's see. I don't read French, so that's not gonna help. Place the bag on a saucer. Good, got that. Carefully pour about 1 cup of water so that the seeds and soil are evenly moist. Then place a warm, shaded area for sprouting. So we want a warm, shaded area. Make sure the seeds stay moist and do not dry out. Water daily, but only when the soil looks dry. Check the seeds daily. Seeds should sprout in about 3 days. Once sprouted, move the bag and the saucer to a well-lit, ventilated area. A bright kitchen window is an ideal location. Water twice a week as needed or keep the soil moist. Adjust. Your pet grass will be ready when it reaches at least 2 inches in height. Your grass will grow up to 7 inches tall. Simply clip the grass as it grows and add it to your pet's food. Pet greens will last 7 to 10 days. Huh, pretty neat. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the seed packet. Wow, that is a lot of seeds that they give you here. Let me see if we can get focused in on that. So they give you a lot of seeds. That's not helping you guys at all. Looks dark in there. And so there we go, much better. There you go. So lots of seeds that come in there. This whole packet is full. So I think we're gonna just kind of sprinkle them in there. You're supposed to cover them with 1/4 inch of soil. It's a little difficult to do in a grow bag like that, but we will try our best. Now it said pour in about 1 cup of water. Now we've got our seeds covered in soil-ish, and cover 1 cup of water. I've got a pitcher. I would say there's a lot more than 1 cup. I'm using warm water because usually when germinating seeds, I like to use a warmer water. And with this kind of soil being this dry and with perlite and stuff, it takes a little bit to soak on down. So I pour a little bit, let it soak in. You don't want to oversaturate, just have all the water come right back out the bottom. You really want to give it time to drip down and soak in. So that's what we're doing. It is dripping out the bottom, so that means our drainage holes are working. But I am not overdoing it just yet. All right, we've got it watered in. As you can see, it's on the tray. Let's give it a couple of days. See if we can get some of these seeds to sprout, and then we'll come on back. So there you have it, guys. I will try this out, let you guys know. I will record a couple of shorts on some update videos on this pet grass and post them for you guys to see the progress. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever used anything like this before, if it's something that your cats like, or if you don't believe in this kind of thing, whatever the case may be. Like I said, it was free for the fosters, so I thought it was a healthy option for them. Then I love to grow stuff, new things, so I'd give it a try. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a like, and that way you can get, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this and the indoor growing sharper image greenhouse video that we just did as well. So I'll do some update videos on that and more content to come, guys. So as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and you're enjoying your gardens. Thanks.